Welcome to Corey Turner Talks Cars. We're back here with Jamie. How you doing, Jamie?
I'm doing well.
And of course, we're here to keep talking about his amazing 1933 Factory 5 Racing Ford replica. Now, again, tell us, what is it up for? What are we voting for right now?
We're actually voting for the Ford Hall of Fans.
And this is huge. We've been talking about this. You have to vote. It's every day, right?
It's every day that you can vote.
Every day that you can vote up to February 2nd?
First.
Up to February 1st. So we're going to put the link in the description. You're going to want to vote every day. Now, we've talked about where the inspiration came from. We talked about the 700-plus manual it took to put this bad boy together. But you've done a lot of extra things, and I want you to kind of tell us what are some of the extra things you've done to this car?
Okay.
And I'm going to get out of the way so we can see it.
All right, so starting from the front, I'm going to work spatially back here. So Factory 5, they send you these 7.5-inch, the large headlights to actually install. And they're very good quality headlights, but I wanted to go with something a little bit smaller. So what we did was we ended up going with the headwind headlights. They're 4.5-inch rocket cuts. And there on the front, they have the integrated turn signals in those as well. We were able to drop those a little lower than you would normally have on this vehicle, and it just really gives it a different look as you look at the front of the vehicle with the grille. One of the other things we knew going in, so there's about 1,300 of these vehicles that are actually being built, and either in the progress of being built, or process of being built, or else they've been finished. And so through the forum of Factory 5, I was able to learn that these cars sometimes have a tendency to run a little bit hot. So I went with the extra clearance hood from Factory 5, which allowed us to put then a vent in the engine bay to allow some of that heat to escape. And so what I did was, if you look at the front of the vehicle, I actually took a 2018 Mustang GT grille. I flipped it 180 degrees. I shrunk it down, 3D modeled it, and actually had it 3D printed out of aluminum. And that is what you see in the front of the vehicle there. Some of the other things that I carried over is, once I did the star on the back or the outside of the vehicle, I wanted to carry that over to the interior. So we did the inset of the white star that carries over to the door panels there. I also knew that just from experience that the armrest would take a lot of wear. So I wanted to do something different there. I actually reached out to Wilson Football, who is the official supplier of all the footballs for the NFL, and asked them if I could have some leather. They said they have contracts and service agreements that wouldn't allow them to do that, and I said wouldn't allow them to sell it to me. I said, well, I'd be happy to take it from you. They said they couldn't do that as well. So what we ended up doing is we came up with a solution that kind of mimicked that look, and it just looks amazing and it wears really good. The interior that we ended up going with, instead of a leather, because that's what I originally had hoped to go with it being the Roadster and the hardtop could be removed, we ended up going with a carbon fiber vinyl that is a marine grade, so it holds up really good to any kind of weather outside, whether it be sun or moisture. And that's something too that I think that I have to rely on my interior guys to make that decision, to give me that feedback. But that turned out really well. Since we were putting an 8-foot star on the side of the car, we had to keep it clean. So even though it comes with door handles, I wanted the doors shaved. We went door pop, so they pop open the doors. So all that is really clean, no hardware on the side. Instead of using the stock mirrors, I went with the Hagen Fatties that you see, and then a matching Hagen Fatty rear view mirror that you see inside the car. As we move back to the rear of the vehicle, we opted, instead of the ovals, the horizontal ovals that come with the kit, we opted to put 39 teardrops in the back, and we flipped them so that they actually do look like teardrops dropping, and so that really kind of sets the vehicle apart too. We cleaned up we did the upholstery and cleaned it up in the trunk of the vehicle. It's a very small trunk, so not a lot. There's just enough to carry maybe a sandwich or two and what you need to go to a car show. But it holds more than you would think, but it's very deceiving. And then we also put the star tips on the exhaust, which really kind of, and to be honest with you, it finishes the vehicle off. And of all the things that people come up to me at car shows and talk about, that is the one thing that just really sets them off about it. It's just that detail. And so just something about that just sparks conversations.
And I'll tell you, that's absolutely true. I'm going to jump back in here with you, Jamie.
Yeah.
When I saw the star tips, that's one of the first things I asked about, wasn't it? I was like,
Yeah,
where
yeah.
did you get these? How did you have those made?
Yeah.
Video doesn't do it justice. Photos don't do it justice. We've talked about it here for a few episodes. This is an immaculate, amazing car. Jamie, I can't tell you how impressed I am with the fit, the finish, and all the work you've done on this. What did you say? It's 2,500 pounds, and it has how many horsepower?
It's 2,500 pounds, just north of 350 horsepower.
Just north of 350 horsepower. So as you can imagine, well, we can't take it out when it's raining, but we're going to take it out when it dries off for sure. So you have to vote. Make sure and vote. We need all of Cowboy Nation. In fact, we need everybody on Corey Turner Talks Cars to vote. We want to make sure we get into the Hall of Fans. Jamie deserves it, and he's been so nice to let us look at the car. So be sure to do that. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, share us with your friends. Let's talk about cars tomorrow. Jamie, this is amazing.
Thank you.